1 in 6 Americans move each year. With packing, signing contracts, and spending money, it can all add up to a whole lot of stress. Joining us now to tell us a little bit more about some of the legalities of moving is Lawyers.com editor-in-chief Larry Bodine. Good morning, Larry. Thank you so much for joining us.
Well, good morning. It's a pleasure to be here.
So, Larry, what are some of the rip-offs that you should look out for?
The most common rip-off that you're going to encounter is a dishonest mover who will quote you a price over the phone or maybe over the internet, not based on any kind of a visit, and they'll put all of your belongings on the truck, and then they'll discover some reason that the move is going to cost a whole lot more money, and they won't give you, they won't deliver or give you back your belongings unless you pay the extra money. So the word to the wise is always get a written estimate based on a visit to your home so you know exactly what you're going to be paying.
Good advice. And if you actually go with a mover, you sign up, and then you find at the end of it your property is damaged, what do you do there?
Well, that comes up in about 1 out of 5 moves. So if you're dealing with an honest mover, it's simply a matter of making a claim with their insurance policy and you can get a repair or a replacement. But if you're dealing with a dishonest mover, you're going to have to file a claim in small claims or district court and see if you can recover the damages so you can get your property fixed or replaced.
And we know that whole process can take quite some time and patience as well. What about if you move out of an apartment complex and your previous landlord won't give you back your security deposit?
Well, this happens more often than you would think. It's happened in my own situation where I asked the landlord for the money back. He just blew me off, and I filed a complaint against him in small claims court, and I was able to recover successfully the deposit plus insurance for the whole time he was holding it. And the advice I would give to people is to check the tenants' rights laws in the local ordinances of the town that you live in. Chances are there are provisions, and it's going to make it a lot easier for you to get your deposit back.
Yeah, a little bit of research can certainly go a long way in this instance here. What types of insurance should you make sure you have when you're planning a move?
Most movers will give you some sort of coverage for in the price of the move, but it isn't going to be very much, you know, like $100 coverage for every pound of things that they're moving. So I'd recommend that you go to your homeowner insurance policy or even go on the internet and get moving insurance. You can get moving insurance online for about $125.
All right, good advice there. Larry, thank you so much for joining us this morning and providing us with some good insight there. Thank you.